Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. Today we are going to upgrade the Dell OptiPlex 7050. So you can see here the RAM and SSD, 16GB RAM, and you can see here 1TB SSD. So this SSD will be the read and write speed will be 560. So this is WD SSD. So today I'm going to show you how to upgrade the WD 1TB to my Dell OptiPlex PC. So you can see here the Kingston 16GB DDR4 RAM. So we will upgrade the RAM to the Dell OptiPlex. You can see here, before we purchase we have to check the megahertz for the Dell OptiPlex as well. It is better to give the good speed. So you can see here Dell OptiPlex 7050. Now we will open this one slowly. Just pull out and remove the cabin and just remove the front portion slowly. Remove the pins slowly and just remove it and just drag it out. And you can see here the RAM is already available. This DDR4 only 4GB it is available. So you can see here, I will show you, this is only 4GB DDR4 RAM. So I'm going to upgrade this 16GB RAM. So we will insert slowly. You can insert to the RAM slot and stick properly. So before doing that, you have to make sure the pins properly. It is already inserted. Now we will remove the hard disk from the PC. So just click that pin and it will come outside. So you can see here, this is the hard disk for my PC. So this is only 500GB. So hard disk, most of the hard disk, it will be give read and write speed like 100 MB write and 100 MB read speed. So we are going to upgrade to the SSD. So and before inserting the, just remove the label, and you can see there is also you can screw to the holder. So remove the label and see the power port and also the SATA port is available. So just, if you have screws, you can screw to the holder properly, so it will fix on the holder. If you don't have screws or anything, so you can think about any alternate solution, so you can fix this one. So I will take the sticker. So I will use this one to stick to the holder. So we will stick to the holder and fix to this one tightly, smoothly and tightly. Just fix to that one and you can insert back to the desktop from the front side slowly and just push it inside and just connect the power cable slowly to the SSD, as well as you can connect the SATA cable. Just make it tight, all the things properly check and just close this one slowly. So these are the simple method to upgrade the SSD and RAM. After that you can install the Windows, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11, whatever you want, you can install. So the performance will be good after upgrading the RAM and SSD. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.